Before we get started sewing this lining to the body of the purse, I wanted to do a little overview of how we're going to sew the lining in. Not every piece of fabric is going to be a plain print like mine. Sometimes you might have a print that has a pretty flower in the front, or it has just something that you want to catch, maybe like right here on the front of your coin purse. And this coin purse, the way it's made is there's a seam right here that attaches the lining to the body of the purse, and I flip it all out through that hole. And this hole has to be at the top because there's a seam here at the bottom, and you cannot flip it out through this way. So if you happen to choose a piece of fabric that has a print on it and you want it right here, we cannot have the opening next to that. So this one doesn't really matter, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the opening here, but you just need to know if you want that print to show, whatever you want to show on the front, you put the opening at the opposite end of that. So let's go ahead and get started sewing that lining on, and then I'll show you how to flip it out and finish this coin purse.